Hello everyone, my name is Brandon. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create CSS and HTML. Now for this I'm going to be showing you the style tag and the how to link to a style sheet. So for starters, let's do the style element. So it's exactly the same as if you were to put a style within a specific element as, say, a paragraph. So we always want to have a starting and ending elements for the style. Now space it out, space it again, or whatever, then go here. Now for this I'm just gonna do body as an example, and we'll indenting is very be sure to do it. Now this is referencing a full element because we are not creating a class or ID, but don't let that confuse you. I will explain classes and IDs in a different tutorial. So now within these two little bracket thingies, you're going to want to type in whatever CSS you want to do. So let's do a font, family, and we'll do cursive. Now save it, and if we are to go to our website, you'll see the change. Okay, so now if we go to our website, you'll see that this heading has become a cursive font, and this is still normal. Actually, no, this became cursive also because it's within the body. So what if we want to specialize in just one thing? So it's in a body, it's in a specific div or span or class or ID, but don't worry about those other four. So let's worry about the body. Now we want the heading to have a specific style. Yes, of course, we could have just heading 2 and then save it and go view it, and the paragraph is back to normal and the heading tag has only a specific thing. But that's not a good practice to start. So you want to get more in depth with it right away. So the heading tag of my heading 2 is a child of the body element. So let's type in body, then space, heading 2. Now this is specifying anything that is within the body, that is the element heading 2 must be related to the CSS that we have defined. Now if I was to save this, go view the website, it didn't change, but it's working, and that's the proper way to learn something and do it properly. So we'll just end it at that, and say you wanted to specify more than one thing, just add a little semi or whatever thing and type in your other element, so P, and save it, refresh, and it specifies this also. So you can have multiple things within the body or your div or span or class or ID or whatever saying, yo, I want the heading and my paragraph and my pictures to have a specific style. Okay, so now you need to create a new file and call it whatever .css. Now remember, the .css is mandatory because that is what is linking to the style sheet to connect within your website. If it's not .css, then it is not going to work. So type in this. Type in link, R-E-L, real, and then put in style sheet. Now add another space and type in href. Now you should be familiar with this because this is used for making links. Now this is saying I want this to refer to a style sheet. You could also do JavaScript or whatever, but I want this to link to a style sheet. Then I want the link to the style sheet is main.css, or this part right here, whatever you called your file. Now you can just close it, you don't need an ending slash, save it, and we already have something in here for our CSS. It's a body with a background color of red. Now if I go to the website, refresh, the background is now red and it has loaded our CSS. If I was to remove this and save, nothing's there because we have nothing written. So let's type in body, then paragraph, indent it properly and have font, family, and we'll go Arial. Close it, save it, go here, refresh, and it just switched the font to Arial. It's like CSS is just the huge fundamental and design part of your website. So yeah, if you guys need any more tutorials or questions on how to like center things or something, I will do it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it was helpful. But my name is Cola, guys, and I'm out. Peace.